Hello friends, I'm Simran. I'm your health, weight loss and a lifestyle coach. So today let's talk about knowing the benefits of foods and superfoods is one thing, and then how to consume or eat them the right way is another. Most of us know that vegetables are good to consume or fruits are good for health, but do we know the right way to consume them? So emphasis is on how to cook the right way and consume fruits and vegetables. So cutting vegetables and fruits and then washing them makes them lose all the natural and essential minerals and the vitamins present in them. Do not cut vegetables and fruits too small or too thin, as most of the nutrients will be lost while you cook them. Cut them a bit longer and a bit thicker cubes to withhold all the nutrients, and as far as possible, do not remove the peels of fruits and vegetables. And even if you have to remove a thin peel, as most of the nutrients must remain intact, as the peels to contain minerals and vitamins. Hence, if one can afford organic when no pesticides are there, one can eat peels without worrying. Greens should not be overcooked. If you cannot eat raw, just saute them very lightly. Tomatoes should never be overcooked, as they contain vitamin C that get destroyed when you overcook them or once they are cooked too much. Bananas, when ripe and when they have those black spots on them, are the best way to consume, as they are full of antioxidants. Consume onions, as they are low in calories yet high in nutrients, including vitamin C, vitamin B, and potassium. Onions have antibacterial properties and promote digestive health as well. Regarding fruits, always try to have them in their natural form instead of juicing them. Nowadays, you get all those fancy juicers like for cold pressed juicers that are beneficial for juicing rather than the normal juicers that heat up and the fruit loses all the nutrients after being heated. The best and healthiest way to consume fruits is in their natural form, to bite into them so that you get the benefit of the fiber and all the properties. If you have fruits with your soaked nuts and seeds, your blood sugar will not rise, bringing down the glycemic index and arresting the sugar spike. Hence, remember to follow certain rules while you consume fruits and vegetables for best benefits. Hope this video was useful. If you liked it, do subscribe and share it. And thank you for watching. Have a blessed day.